Let's play with the memory and combining decorative stitches and letters. So first off, go up to the Topaz and select Program, or P-R-O-G. When you go to Program, you're going to notice that your screen kind of disappears over here. I'm going to delete this out so we can see. And that's just, I just held down the trash can until that came up and allowed me to delete it out. So we can go in and select any of our decorative stitches. If you touch and hold the little straight and zigzag up there, that will pop up all your stitches here. And whatever you see, you'll be able to pick and it'll just show up in your screen. So as you go around the screen, and then again, if you want to delete or even insert, these arrows will move the little cursor and allow you to insert a couple extra decorative stitches, whatever you want to do. As soon as you want to go sew, touch the green check mark and you'll see the pattern already on your screen. Okay, so that's not really what we want to sew. So let's go ahead and go back to the Topaz, go back to the program, and we'll touch and hold the trash can. So we'll delete all the stitches there and we can start over. So let's do it. Go ahead and do this. These little stars are in the F menu. So let's go ahead and do our F menu. And we'll put in one of the big stars. And then our other smaller stars are from the next screen. So touch and hold that little straight and zigzag and it'll bring these back up. And here they are. Now when I put them in, notice that you only get one repeat even though it shows two. But go ahead and put two in there. And then when you're ready to do the green check mark, that's what you're going to get when it sews out. It's going to sew exactly what you see on screen. So wherever your presser foot is, that's the direction it's going to sew. What you see is what you get. Now let's say you want to save that. The little folder with the arrow pointing into it, touch that. And it goes to a place called My Stitches or Menu U, like you. And you can touch number 1 and it will go ahead and add those stitches there. Now they're saved and we can go in and remove those as well. Let's talk about go into Program. Talk about our lettering options. To delete this from the screen, touch and hold the trash can. Kind of have a quick delay, touch and hold it, and then touch the green check mark. To go into the alphabets, so you have different styles of alphabets. So you have 3 that are American alphabets, as well as a few others that are not. So let's just touch the block alphabet. You've got uppercase and you have lowercase and numbers and symbols. And then right here on the first capital letter screen, you have an upside down staple. That would be for a space. So if I want to put my name in, I'm Sarah, and I can do uppercase and lowercase. And when I do the green check mark, it's ready to stitch. Now right now you're going to notice it's going to do Sarah, Sarah, Sarah all the way down. You can even kind of scroll all the way until you see it all. But when you go to start, I'm going to come over here and touch the stop button. When I push the stop button, it will show me that it will just do the one repeat and then stop at the end. So and that's usually what you want for like your names or dates or quilt labels. You don't need it to be Sarah, Sarah, Sarah. You just need it to be stitched out one time. Once again, if we want to save it and touch the next open memory in the My Stitches area, and then it will put the name in there. So just for fun, how do we get to those save stitches? Go out to the Topaz, touch the stitch menu button, and did you notice this big heart here where it's you? That's you. So now I have my pattern saved. And we'll do another video on My Stitches because you can also save like new zigzag settings or new straight stitch settings and have them all on the same screen. But just by selecting it, up will come that pattern, select the next one, up will come the next pattern.